Got them chicken legs. Yeah, you been skipping leg, dang. I have been lately. Yeah, I know I have, because I hurt my damn leg. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Stu and my big homie J-Bo right here. We're going to get out here and do a little creek fishing, summertime creek fishing. Summer's almost up, fall's almost here. We're going to be deer hunting, so we figure we're going to go ahead and get out here and make it happen. Hopefully we'll catch a bass or two, but y'all just hang out with me. I'm going to be throwing this bubblegum trick worm. He going to be throwing about the same thing, and got my backpack on. We're going to be throwing some soft plastics, and hopefully we get bit, but y'all just hang out with me. All right? You ain't get no bite yet, J-Bo? I need to see if we can move on down some there. Main thing I did was get hung up. Seemed like it would have been at least one little bass in here or something, you know what I mean? That's what I was thinking. But the water moving pretty fast the other way though. Right. That's something for them to eat right there. Definitely. Did y'all ever see any gators out here? You had one? Oh, hell. Let's go, J-Bo. Oh, shoot. I like to bust my ass. The crocs ain't got no grip, boy. I like it. It was up under that tree. I saw he throwing up under that tree. Shoot, we finna walk the creek, man. I'm finna go right down here to the water right here. Hopefully I won't sink down to my balls. I know the water cold. Oh shoot, the water cold, boy. J-Bo, it's cold, son. Let's do it. Come on, where you at? We walk straight down the bank and fish. This is out of my comfort zone. I ain't never done this. Like walk in the creek and fish. So this is definitely different for me. Hopefully it don't get too deep. I think it's easy to go in the middle of the creek. Like it's more shallow in the middle. I think it's just more shallow in the middle. You think so? I know you better step your feet a few times before you just walk out there. Oh, I got one. Got him, boy. Look at the little fella. Bubblegum trick worm, baby. He hit it right up under that tree. Little joker. He took it. I ain't even. Come on now. Come on, bro. Chill out, bro. I'll get that hook at you. First one in the creek. I skipped it up under that tree and he hit it. Little fella. Look at that. Oh, man. That about what size you catch anyway. Little dink. That was fun right there. First creek bass. I skipped it right up under that tree. The overhanging tree. And he nailed it. So you know they like this bubblegum trick worm. He was on there chilling. I'm talking about I ain't. So he hit it as soon as it hit the water up on there. He hit it. Hey, even though we don't catch nothing no bigger than that, I'm still having fun with it. Especially after being at work for about a week straight. Good way to let some steam off, man. Get out here and wade in the creek. Do some fishing. This mug got a sandy bottom, boy. You sink down in it. It feel like it's getting deeper right here, J-Bo. Ain't no water cold. You think summertime it wouldn't be cold. But shoot, it is. Oh hell, I'm sinking. So you ain't done this in how many years? About 20?
Yeah, it's been 20 years since I've been up there.
Yeah.
This year be 20 years since I graduated high school, and I remember the last time I went out there, I was still in high school.
Really? Well, they can bring back some old memories though, don't it?
Yeah.
I've never done this.
Dude, I'll never forget. My dad, he promised me, he never broke a promise.
Uh-huh.
He had a Saturday off. He didn't have a lot of Saturdays off.
Yeah.
We had one off and he promised me no matter what we was going fishing.
Yeah.
It was freaking stormy.
Yeah.
That Saturday. And I was like, Daddy, you promised. He went and bought some worms.
Yeah.
And we stood up on that bridge right there in the pouring rain and fished. Didn't catch a thing, but it's a good memory to have. But, you know, he promised me and he wanted to break that promise.
Right. Yep. That's what it's all about.
I think you even act like you got a bite sometimes just to make me think there's fish in here.
Yeah. Yep. I got to get little man back out fishing. I hadn't taken him in a while. I got to get him out. I know me and him hadn't gone this summer. I got to get him out. Go fishing. I get him in the big boat, and the front end to go up, he act like it's in the flip. And he gets scared. He be like, slow down, no. He won't even wait for it to plane out. He be like, oh no, I'm scared, Daddy. So I just have to cruise around real slow with him.
That old bass boat Brad had that he sold,
Yeah.
that thing was get up and go.
But it had a 200 on there?
Yeah, he had 200 on the other day. It was
Merker? A Merker?
yeah, that was a Mercury motor, but he one of them Pro Craft, I think that was.
Yeah.
It was top of the line back when he bought it in 2001.
Yeah.
That thing get up and go. See, Jacob, we get on, you saw it. Jacob was the one that wanted to keep going faster. He had another second time, I was like, I wanted him to slow down.
Yeah. That joke with a 200 probably go about 70, 80 miles an hour.
Oh yeah.
Cause mine will go right at 50 with just me in the boat and light tackle. It'll go about 50. And I just got a 115. I'm gonna ease on down a little bit further. Yeah, this is definitely something new for me. Yeah, this water too cold for gators, man. It's cold. And one thing about a creek, boy, they got some cold water in here.
Try trout fishing in North Georgia.
Oh yeah.
You talking about freezing.
Oh yeah.
Y'all used to go in June. You get in that water, it takes your breath away.
Yeah. Yeah.
We would float 6 miles.
Yeah.
Kill us some trout.
Brian told me about that. He said it'd be cold water, boy. A lot of times he said they'll wear waders. Yeah.
We had floating shoes.
Yeah. Yeah, we could have wore some waders out here.
You just find your little deep hole.
Yeah.
Throw your little, most of the time we use worms or, we'll have open lights and we use worms.
Yeah.
Or you can use coil or whatever. And,
What happened? There's some stumps over there where you at now. It's a what? Oh, you thought it was a gator. Hey, I'm gonna set my backpack right here. Don't let me forget it. You heard me? That mother done got heavy on my shoulders. Damn. What's that? Damn frog, bullfrog. Put them crops in 4-wheel drive. This oh snap. I like I just want to say, Jesse, know you out here? I was about to say, does Jesse know you out here? Huh? Yeah. I said Jessica. I about to say, you better tell her. In case she need to come get both our asses out this creek. Cause my wife don't know where this creek at. It ain't gonna do her no good to know. Hey, long as she knows, hey, you tell her, hey, you know where we at? Send somebody out here. Y'all be like, baby, I'm between the creek and the hard place, I don't know where I'm at. Cause she damn sure ain't gonna know. Huh? So you better catch it. I got my pliers on me. A bass or a snake? Or a gator? Uh-uh. Yeah, I see something moving. But they'll swim with their head out the water though. Yeah. It might just be a stick in the water. You think? You getting closer to it. We about to find out. I don't think it ain't that. I don't think it's that. I figured it'd be something in that pocket out the current right there. Probably a stick. Probably a stick with the waves going past it. Dude, that's fun, dude. I'm saying I've never done this, man. So it's fun. Did you and your folks, y'all used to walk the creek or just stand on the bank?
Yeah, we used to walk the creek. There's a nut one down the road sometimes we used to do too.
Yeah.
We used to stand on like at night. We used to night fish off right there.
Right there. And catch catfish.
Yeah, that's just a stick.
Dude, this is fun. I hope we can go a good little wave. Catch a couple bass.
I want to get where that skunk hanging over.
Well, what now?
That skunk hanging over.
Yeah.
Right by that grass right now.
Yeah. You shorter than me, so you go under then. I know I can just hold my head up. And don't the water feel good too? feel good, man.
It's about ball level, right?
Yeah, you about balls deep right now. You go under, then I know not to go in that spot. I go a little closer to the bank. It got shallow now, it's getting back deep again. Oh yeah. The balls, son. It's the balls. Mine ain't quite in there. I know yours all the way in there. Uh-oh. I tried to go to the right of you. I about frayed my line on that darn bridge. I ain't worried about it. It's braided line, so I don't think we're gonna get nothing too much big enough to break it. I'm trying to throw to the right of you. That one little bass had a hell of a fight on him though. I guess because of being in this current, they fight hard.
Fight that little current too.
Yeah.
That's another thing about trout fishing North Georgia, and the current being so strong.
That's a strong fish.
You get a hold of them things.
I want to get a hold to like a shoal bass, but you got to be around rocks to get a shoal bass, don't you?
Yeah,
So they call the shoal. Here you might just get a hold to a little regular little largemouth. Or a, what about not a shoal bass, a rock bass. Well, hell, they in the rocks too. Ain't no rock over here.
That's the name.
Rock bass, yeah. He's just largemouth. Good way to blow off some steam after working, man, all week. I got home, my son was like, yeah, you been gone all week, ain't you? Yeah. I ain't been off since last Tuesday. Shoot, man, they killing us, boy. It ought to be something by these stumps over there. Yeah, I'm in the balls in there now. Like Kevin Hart show, cold as balls. Yeah, it's cold as balls. But it feels good though. Oh, a bass just tried to hit it. I seen him. A little bass. I think that's what that was. So what's the biggest bass y'all ever caught out here?
I ain't never caught bass out here.
Yeah. Y'all always bring them catfish?
We would always bring them catfish.
Oh yeah. You got one? Well, I thought you had one. But when you set the hook, you buy me a just set the hook on he'll set the hook on a rock or a stump. I will too now. I feel that mud boo boo. You better not break that. Walk up to it. Damn, son. Yo, shoot, son, they getting deep right here.
I feel like I'm about to hit a bass hole, dude.
Oh, snap. It dropped straight off, too. God, dog, it's deep, boy. It dropping straight off, boy. Hey, you better go get it. I know it like
there's a hole right here. I keep going deeper.
Like in quicksand.
Oh my God.
Go get it, J-Mo. Go get it. You go under your hat, be on the top of the water. I'm filming that. I'm putting that in the video. And it's right there where you can see it.
God.
You can't walk in the grass? You think it's shallower in the grass?
No, I don't think so. I think it's still deep, deep. I'm gonna have you look at it.
And you ain't got no braided line either?
I almost brought my rod with braided line.
That's what I got on this. I wanted something strong.
Alright, it does get shallow in the tip corner right here too.
Hey, J-Bo done went. I'm coming behind you. They get shallower.
Yeah, if you get closer to the grass.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause that grass, how high up it is, it ain't gonna be out too deep. Oh yeah, it is shallow in the grass. So we know now, walk in the grass. Yeah, look. Look, you went in the hole and came out the hole. I'm in the grass now. It's muddy in the grass though. Hoping ain't no alligator snapping turtle in here nowhere. It's He can't get to my toes though. They ain't these crops. They'll bite through these crops on 'em. Go ahead. Dude, you peeing, it's gonna come right back on me up here. You dirty joker. I bet you these deer be coming out here to drink. Damn, I threw that mug up in a spider web. I ain't see it. Spider web like a big old limb up there. Caught my darn line and messed me up. Big ass banana spider, look at that. Look at that joker right there. That would be in the woods right there. Big banana spider. Yeah. I might have throw him off. That's what I heard, but they don't try to bite you though. Maybe a bass will hit it. That's a doggone big one right there, boy. I'm just gonna leave him on there. Maybe he'll throw off. He threw off. I be hunting like crazy now. And this is like braided line, dude. That spider web. That's what I tried to do, but that damn.
You know, they ain't gonna be no moccasin because that water's showing up so cold.
Yeah.
A water snake being there in a second now. You be sitting there in that floating heat, and next thing you know, right next to your water snake, they're
Right past.
Getting the piss out of it.
Shoot, you gotta worry about both of them in this water though. For the most part, a water moccasin ain't gonna try to bite you. They just try to get away from you.
Yeah,
but they ain't gonna go around you though.
If it was springtime.
Oh yeah. Seem like you'll see more in the summertime than in the spring though.
You'll see them more, I think. They ain't as aggressive because they ain't got babies.
What? Snakes ain't got babies in the summertime?
Well, they got babies, but they don't. When they're really little, supposedly, what I've heard, when they're really little, is they have them in the spring, and that's when they're. So aggressive.
That's when they have the babies in the springtime.
Yeah, and then so when they're so little, that's when they're aggressive. When you get close to them.
Hell, I thought all animals had babies in the summertime. Just about. That's what I thought. Go ahead.
I think they have it around the same time as
deer. I'm gonna throw it to the right here. He ain't throw over here to the right, either. See what's over here. You had a hit. Uh-huh. In the pond, yeah, they would. Right before that log, they know it's gonna get away from them. They want to hit. This is like, sure enough, mud. I'm trying to walk this way. Dude, this mud. A whole bunch of mud, dude. Oh, you perfect spot right now. Another spider web up there. Banana spider too. You can see him walking on it. I bet some jokers be like, man, we ain't had to worry about nothing until y'all came up through here. Just been chilling, catching all kind of insects. Catching all kind of insects.
When they built that right there, they're like, there ain't no way he's gonna bother us.
Right, ain't no way we're gonna see nobody lying through here.
No way, they're gonna be two dumbasses.
And here go the two dumbasses. Wade in the creek. J-Bo, where you at, man? You done left me. Low down sky you. I'm headed your way. Trying not to slip down. Man. I enjoyed this, boy. You just don't know. Then we need to do this like creek series, and we do a couple more creeks before it get cold. Find a couple more creeks to get off in. I'm down with that. At least a couple more before deer season hit. You know?
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Me and J-Bo had a good time. Caught one bass, man, but we had a blast. We was sinking down our balls in mud. The water was cold, but it was fun. And like I said, man, y'all need to get out there and enjoy it outdoors. We're definitely gonna do some more of this.